everyone, I'm Tanya and welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm going to share with you how to make a beetroot cream. This beetroot cream is specially made to lighten and whiten your skin complexion and to make your skin complexion very fair, glowing, radiant and spotless. This cream is made up of 100% natural ingredients and is 100% effective in skin lightening, skin whitening and to remove your dark spots, pigmentation, acne scars and black spots from your skin. So to prepare this cream, you firstly gonna need beetroot juice, and to prepare the juice, you have to peel and grate the beetroot, and here I have the grated beetroot. And now I'm going to strain this grated beetroot and take out the beetroot juice out of it. And after straining it well, your beetroot juice is ready and it will look like this. Now we are going to make the cream out of it, and to prepare the cream you firstly have to take approx 2 tablespoons of beetroot juice in a clean bowl. After that you have to add 1 teaspoon of glycerin in it. Now after adding the glycerin, now you have to add half a teaspoon of vitamin E oil in it, and you don't have this oil then you can also use olive oil instead of it. Now just mix all these 3 ingredients so that they combine with each other nicely and makes a smooth paste. And now for the last ingredient, I am adding 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel in it. And again mix everything really nicely to make a smooth, creamy and a fluffy paste. And if there's needed, you can also add a little bit more of beetroot juice or aloe vera gel in it, just to make the consistency of this paste really creamy and fluffy. And after mixing all the ingredients really nicely, your homemade beetroot juice cream is ready and it will look like this. And the consistency of this cream should be really fluffy, creamy and smooth, just like I'm showing you in the video. So now let me tell you how to store this cream for best results. So now I'm just transferring this cream into this small airtight container, and you can use any airtight container to store this cream, and you can keep this cream in refrigerator for up to 15 to 20 days. This cream is highly beneficial in treating your skin and in removing all the dark spots, acne scars, pimple marks, pigmentation, hyperpigmentation, as well as uneven skin complexion. It lightens and whitens your skin tone and makes it more brighter, lighter, whiter and tighter. It has amazing anti-aging properties as well, which removes all your wrinkles, fine lines and sagging skin and gives you a fair, glowing and radiant complexion. So now let me tell you how to use this cream to get best results. So you just need to take a little amount of this cream and apply it all over your skin. After applying it, just give a good massage to your skin for about 30 to 45 seconds. And that is it. Just apply it normally as you apply other creams on your skin. And for the best results, use this cream twice in a day, once in the morning and the other before going to bed. So that's it for this video, and if you like this video then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, and I will see you next time. Bye bye, take care.